My communication systems video for SPCE 683 Practicum in Autism. I'm going to talk to you today about using sign language for students with autism. Sign language, also known as manual sign, is a system used with students who have hearing impairments. They can have visual impairments. They can have ASDs. They can have a social impairment, which is usually accompanied by ASDs, or they can even have a cognitive impairment. So sign language can be used with a variety of students that have specific language needs. Sign language is taught as a part of a total communication system. So not only do you use the manual sign, but you also use the verbal elements as well. This using total communication can help students develop both the vocal parts of sign language and the signs themselves. So it gives them more than one way to communicate what they want or what they need. You can teach sign language in a variety of ways, but it is suggested to use MANs, which are request words, so they can request items that they may have a tie to, they may be motivated by, they may need. Then you can also start moving it to tact, which tact is when you label items, when you call things a horse, so you call things an apple. Then you can go on and using the echoic kinds of vocalization so that you can help students with ASD start to develop their vocal range. Um, Sign language is limited with some students who have more complex motor impairments. You can develop some modified signs with students if they need that kind of modification in order to be able to do that, and if other systems are not appropriate for them. Sometimes sign language is one of the best modes because it gives a visual as well as the vocal range. So here is a book I would use with a student. It's called White on Black, and I will go through and show you some of the signs and describe some of the ways you can use it. So I would say to the student, white on black. And you can use bottle, bottle, and horse. And they could show me the signs and they could point to the images on the page. Boat, duck, buttons, necklace, bird, flower, apple, banana. And these are just a few simple signs that you could use. Maybe these are objects or toys that a student could request if they really enjoyed using some of those items in your classroom or in a clinical setting. Maybe these are items that they may want, so they could use them as a request, or you can start using this as a tact and start labeling some of these items to expand some of their vocabulary.